Alright guys, forgive me, I've got the air conditioner running. So I'm playing an expensive game here. I got these Ego tools, I love them. The power, they get the job, they're great. But when they have problems, customer service is terrible. The warranty is terrible. I mean, it's a great warranty, but if they can't honor the warranty, then what good is it, right? And they can't. So this thing, I just quit mowing the lawn because I use this for work. I use it all day. It just randomly shuts off. Sometimes it does it every couple seconds. Sometimes it might do a couple hours. Just randomly shuts off. I can restart it. It'll restart fine. And then maybe a couple seconds later, just shut off again. And so I finally got tired of it. I narrowed it down to this guy right here. And I'm going to upload this video as a separate one to my channel. This is the switch that tells that the arm is extended. I believe that's what's causing my issue. So what you need to do, basically, it's very simple. You just, oh sorry, it goes that way. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws that you take out, and they're like, I don't know, they're like T20s or something. Can you see that? I'm playing an expensive game here because this is an $800 mower. Probably not anymore. You could probably get it a lot cheaper now, but it cost me $800 when I got it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the trusty old wire cutters over here, and I'm going to snip this wire off the switch. Let's see what happens. I know this one has to be down. Let's see what happens. Nothing. Okay. So now, snip that wire off the switch. Anything? Nothing. It comes on. You can. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I can see it. The light down there coming on. Now, we're going to take and we're going to strip these wires. It's a black and green wire to go to the switch, at least on my mower. I don't know if yours is going to be the same or not, but on mine it's a black wire and a green wire. So we're going to strip these wires with a handy dandy Gardner bender. These wire strippers are amazing. I don't even know if you guys can see what we're doing, can you? I'll change out there. So now I'm going to take these wires and I'm going to touch them together. Is that it? That's it. Okay. You heard it start, right? So now I'm going to strip them a little bit more. Little strip. There we go. I'm just, you know, I don't care about these safeties. I don't know why they have to do it. It's just, I mean, I know why, but it just seems stupid. Now we're going to get the electrical tape. Brand new thing of Scotch Super 88 by 3M. This, I don't care what anybody says, this is the best. It's probably the most expensive, but it's the best electrical tape you can buy. So I'll show you what I'm doing here because I want everybody to be able to see this. Let's lift this up. I think this is going to help a lot of people. So the switch used to mount right in there. Now here's the wires twisted together, and you can go solder them or whatever. That would be the proper way to do it. But I need to get my mower going, and I need to be able to mow my lawn, which you guys have seen my lawn. I mean, we're not talking about acreage here. I have about an acre total, house included. So I'm going to take this just because I want to protect the wires a little. Don't want anything like grounding out. I don't even know if that's a thing, but I don't want it to happen. Got those guys up there. Now we're going to piece this back together. I know it sounds terrible when you say it that way, right? You have the little conduit guys tucked back in there. Make sure these wires are going to stay. And it's really important. Where'd it go? I lost it already. They've got these little pads that go right here. Really important that they rub against the inside of the, you know, to help latch it in there. So now we're going to get a screw ready because we've got a screw loose. Get this guy Fit it right back together. Just going to get one screw in so we don't have to worry about it. Conduit's not lining up here. Oh, our little thing fell out, I think. Wrong here. No, it didn't fall out. Still, I think it's just that little. Oops. Alright, just try this again. It'll go back together. It just needs to. Just needs a little bit of finessing, that's all. We are batting 1,000 today, aren't we? Stay on it. And you. There we go. That just. I like how that felt. That just popped right together. All right. Put our screw in. Put one more in just for good practice. I took this other side apart too, just in case if there was more than one of those little switch indicators. All right, we're together. Now we test. Down in place there. We're up. Here we go. Turn on. There we go. But now what's going to happen is when we're all the way down, we'll also be able to turn it on. But who's mowing like, actually, if I do say so myself, that's a rather relaxed way of mowing, but it's probably not good on your back. So now I'm going to go mow the rest of the lawn, and I bet it's not going to shut off once because that was the problem. See, the whole thing is there's an indent on the inside of the bar there, and this switch rides on the indent. It's pushed in anytime the bar is out of spec. So right when it falls where they want it, it pops out and it allows your mower to run. So I believe that was our culprit. I'm going to go mow. Well, I'm going to put the rest of the screws back first, then I'm going to go mow, and then we're going to see what happened. All right, well, it worked flawlessly. So obviously, guys, it's a safety. It's there for a reason. I cannot figure out what the reason is. For some reason, they don't want you working without these extended fully. But there's only, I don't know if you guys know how these work. There's a little pin and there's a little hole. You know, you guys know the birds and the bees, right? So there's only one way to do it. I don't know what the difference is. However, it's a safety. I just showed you how to remove the safety and get rid of the problem. I'm not responsible if you do something not smart. Please don't do something not smart. But yeah, if you're having that same problem, that is a fix. Let me move this stuff so I can sit here really quick. Another thing I had to do is this headlight. I think I have a picture somewhere. If I can find it, I'll put it on the screen. But this headlight fell inside the housing. So I had to remove the entire power unit from the mower and put it back. And the thing was, there was nothing broken. It just fell out. It clips in. So I clipped it back and I put a little dab of hot glue. I put it on both of them though, so it won't happen again, hopefully. But this mower's 2 months old, guys. It's only 2 months old, and I could probably return it, but I don't want to. I'm friends with the people where I bought it, and I figure if I can do stuff like I did here in this video, just really quick, take it apart, fix it, I'll do it. You know, it's not their fault. But anyway, that is how one way to fix the problem with the thing just randomly shutting off when it's not detecting your bars being up fully. That's the dumbest design I've ever seen. I don't know why they did it that way. I wish I would have had the foresight to show you the actual indent in the bar in there. It's weird, but it is what it is. It's not there anymore. Now the switch is up on top of my Craftsman table saw. Hey, remember we did a video on that. But yeah, anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you next time.